Good morning everyone, how is everyone doing? This is my Factor Astra, size 52. I am switching from this to this. Hopefully I can get a good shot for you guys. Right. Let's have a look. Everything is packed, well packed. Let's see this. This one must be all the accessories. So it comes with the Dida headset. So all new frames now will come with FSA headset. So this must be the older stock, which comes with the Dida headset. That means I've got a spare Dida headset. I bought this thinking this would be a FSA. Anyway, this, the super box, which I'm going to put on, and the frame itself. Let's take this out, shall we? Gloss carbon. Take this stuff off. Okay, comes with the Dida. Okay. I'm taking this off. Very smooth cut. Okay. Standard 27.2, I believe. Did you see this? Okay. Looks good. It looks smooth on the brakes. There's no paint on it. Nope, that's okay. Shouldn't need facing on this. This one's a press fit 386 Evo, I believe. Serial numbers at the bottom. Good. So more stuff. Those are just standard hex keys. They've got a chain rail guard. Look at the time. The top. Okay. Time here. Okay. And then the Dida one. There is also bearings here as well. And we've got this. And we've got the bearing. Okay, I'm going to try and remember not to mix them up. The bearing goes like that. Anything else? Nothing here? Nope. Underneath. You can see underneath. There's a bearing here. Take the fork out. Fork itself. Very nice. Okay. Inside. Let me see. How about this? Take the bearing out. 51.9. FSA I believe is 51.8. So it's a very snug fit. Yeah, 51.9 times 40, 45 by 45. So let's do the frame weigh-in. Not touching anything. 1.15, which is 2.55 pounds. Now for the fork, it's still got this piece in it. It shouldn't matter too much. 435.7 grams. So let's have a look at bearings each. 32.3, that's the bottom one. They're the same, right? The top one with the cap, 44.6. Then we've got this one where the hoses go in, 9.8. And we've got this one here, 8.2. The Superbox stem, this is an 80 of course. I said I'll get a 90, but comes the same. This is the bottom piece. It's basically like this. Okay, 167 with all the other parts inside the bottom bracket. Head tube. Time to have a look at the accessories that came with it. So we got the plug itself and top cap. Okay, so we're weighing this. 37.8. Use that. We've got spacers. Okay, got the DI2 for axle, made from TIME for axle. Okay. $42. 33.1. Okay, we have carbon base, carbon paste. We got the derailleur, grommets. Okay. Oh, 2 shims here. That's good. So I'll put the front axle in, pretty much in. Only sticks out a little bit.